Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can stake any coin on Binance app. You can stake any coin in Binance app and earn some new coins. So in order to stake coins on Binance, just open your Binance app on your mobile phone. Now we are on your mobile app. Now here at the top at the home page you can see option called Earn. If you are not seeing this option here, then just click on this more option and just click on edit, and here you will add earn option. Just simply click on earn and this option will be added to your home screen. Now just simply click on done. Now when your option has been done, now click on this earn option. Now in search, just write the coin that you want to stake. Let's so I will select this one. When you search this, just simply click on coin. Now, here you can see at the top, there are different periods of time where you can stack your coins. You can stack for 30 days, 60 days, and even 120 days. Just select the period of time that you want, and after that, just simply click on this. You can see amount and written as a maximum, max, max. It's mean maximum coin that you have. Just simply click on this maximum, and here you can see your coin will be selected. Now your all coin has been selected. Now just simply click on this check mark. I have read the agreement and just simply click on confirm, and your coins will be staked on Binance app. Here you can see an option called auto subscribe. It is on now. You can off or on this option. When you check in this option, then after this period your coin will stack again automatically. So this is the way how you can stake your coins on Binance app.